Demi.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm great, thank you.
So what's going on? We heard you hurt yourself.
I did. I was walking in my living room, and one of my roommates, God bless her, she just didn't know how to clean the hardwood floors, so she used Pledge.
She used Pledge on the floor?
Oh, come on.
And I slipped and fell.
How bad did you get hurt?
I broke it.
Did you kick your roommate out?
No.
I hope you made her feel really, really, really bad.
I may have, not intentionally. I wouldn't do that intentionally.
I know, you're too nice, Demi.
Yeah, I'd have broken the other foot kicking my roommate out.
No.
So I have to tell you, we played Heart Attack, and we're already getting 1 million texts on our texting hotline.
That's incredible.
Is it still cool to hear your song on the radio?
Yes, I heard Heart Attack on the radio yesterday morning, and I took out my video camera on my iPhone, and I rolled down the windows. I was like, a single.
I hope you weren't driving.
No, I wasn't. I can't drive. I can't drive with my leg.
Oh, so you have to have a chauffeur everywhere you go.
Kind of.
You should make the roommate who did the floors. She should have to drive you around.
Yeah, that doesn't sound like a very smart idea.
Oh, yeah, that's
Yeah.
Didn't know how to.
I read that Kelly Clarkson is one of your musical interests. What did you think about what she just went through with Clive Davis and how that affected her?
It's none of my business, but I will tell you that she's such a badass. I have a lot of respect for somebody that is so humble and yet still sticks up for herself.
What is up with the X Factor?
It's this show. It's a singing competition show.
Yeah, I've heard of it. I've
I
heard
was
of
a
it.
judge
Yeah.
on it.
I thought you
Yeah.
actually were kind of the breakout star of the X Factor last
Yeah.
year, so we're hoping you come back.
Thank you so much. I would have a lot of fun coming back to it because it was just such a great experience. But
Hey, and good job getting Brittany kicked off the show. I appreciate
Shut
that.
that was really rude. That was really rude.
He is really mean.
Yeah,
Actually,
sometimes.
I'm still just such a Britney fan. She's such a sweet girl, and I really wish that she was coming back.
Is she one of your heroes?
Whose hero isn't she? I think she was my first CD that I ever bought. I was 5, and I bought her CD.
We keep reading a lot of gossip about who you spent Valentine's Day with. You want to clear up any of these rumors?
I don't, because I spend a lot of time talking about my personal life and the issues that I've dealt with, especially after I came out of rehab. And I think there are some aspects of my life that I just want to keep really close to my heart and sacred. And I don't like to talk about my family, personal life, love life. But I will definitely speak about the issues that I think will help other people overcome things like eating disorders and things like that.
All right. Well, Demi, good luck. Heart Attack is already #1 on iTunes. It's getting tons of requests. We're going to play the heck out of it around here, and we do love you for giving us a call this morning.
Thank you so much.